Nestled in a quiet valley near Sevenoaks, Kent, surrounded by ancient woodland and gentle, rolling hills, lies one of England's most picturesque and perfectly preserved moated manor houses, Ightham Mote. A rare survivor of nearly 7 centuries, Ightham Mote is a living relic of medieval England. Built in the early 14th century, this manor has stood through wars, reformation, and revolution, and yet it remains almost untouched by time. Its defining feature, the wide moat that embraces the house on all sides, served both practical and symbolic roles, deterring attackers while displaying the wealth and power of its owners. Few homes of its kind still exist in such complete condition. Inside lies a tapestry of history. The Great Hall, the spiritual heart of the home, has witnessed feasts, family dramas, and the daily lives of nobles and servants alike. Over the centuries, Ightham Mote became a mirror of changing English society. The house has welcomed knights, courtiers, and even royalty. It's said that Edward III may have visited, and in the 19th century, American tycoon William Jackson Palmer called it home. In the 20th century, it was rescued by Charles Henry Robinson, another American who lovingly restored the estate and gifted it to the National Trust in 1985. Today, Ightham Mote stands not just as a building, but as a bridge across time, offering a glimpse into the lives, hopes, and struggles of those who walked these grounds centuries before us. As you watch this ancient house from above, let the stillness remind you, even in our fast-moving world, places like Ightham Mote preserve the quiet whispers of England's long and storied past.